about it?
It's something I like. It's like candy.
And what I did was
Gotta turn it around.
I drew this.
Yep.
So first, I just sketched it out on a regular piece of paper, and then after that,
Looked at the candy thing, looked at the picture of the candy, and I drew the boxes around, the shapes around.
Talk a little louder.
Basketball. I've also done boxing before, so like I just did that in there.
Nice. What's your piece about?
It's about me and space, and I'm playing.
And like, what's going on in this?
so basically, I searched up like some examples of a method called abstract.
Hello, my name is Fayed, and I did a art piece in art class.
To like sketch out like where I would put.
Right now? Okay. I see the lines. Did any math go into creating this?
Not really. Well, maybe.
With marker, and I came up with the idea of the magic marker, and he came up with like the button and like the microchip.
And who drew it actually? Who actually, both of you?
No, he did.
Oh! Go.
Hi, my name is Jacan, and this is my self-portrait.
So how did you come up with this?
It was supposed to be a self-portrait of me.
Hi, my name is Deontay, and I made a Twix picture. And the process of me making it, I had a picture of the original Twix, and I drew it on.
And you drew what?
A Nike ski.
A Nike ski. Awesome. Look up, look up. Good job.
My name is Aaron, and the process of doing this artwork is taking my time doing it, seeing what I gotta do, and